Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. It went by quick. Hope everybody was safe yesterday out on Halloween. Breaking my fast is Sunday, 5/17. I've been fasting for 16 hours and 15 minutes. Right here I have some chia seed pudding with some blueberry compote, some hemp seeds, a little bit of a baby banana, some almond butter under there. I made this with a tablespoon of flaxseed, grounded flaxseed. I got also ground chia seeds, so I put 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of ground chia seed, some coconut cream, probably about 2 teaspoons, some almond milk, not a whole lot, probably about two teaspoons, 2 to 3 teaspoons of that. What else did I put in here? 2 tablespoons of Fage yogurt. 2 teaspoons of my coconut sugar, some vanilla flavor, and I believe that's it. I mixed it up, sat it in the refrigerator, covered for a couple of hours, and then I took it out and put a teaspoon of some hemp seeds on there and 2 tablespoons of almond butter, and I topped it with a little bit of this banana. I had some baby bananas, they starting to go, so I used a little bit of that. And then I have my coffee. And then here's this a cup and a half of coffee with a tablespoon of nut pod, hazelnut nut pod, some monk fruit, sweetener, some sea salt, a pinch of sea salt, what else did I put in here? My collagen powder, a scoop, and I believe that's it. And I put it in the blender and let it stir. I don't no longer do the fatty coffee because since I've lost a lot of weight already, I just want to work on my body burning the fat that I have on there. So I kind of cut back on the fats except for what I cook with and what's already in the ingredients that I use. And I did add back to my carbs and stuff. So at some point I will sit down and kind of talk to you, maybe by the end of the year, kind of talk to you about some things that I've changed and what I'm kind of doing now as far as going forward with my weight loss or whatever. So I'll be back. Maybe I'll do it for dinner. I'll sit down and have a little mukbang talk. But for right now, this is what I'm having. And then later, maybe by about 8 o'clock, I'll be eating dinner. So I'll be back. Peace. Give me a thumbs up. Hey everybody, it is dinner. It is 8:52 p.m. Sunday, November 1st. So I have here some roasted spatchcock chicken that I got from Crowd Cow. It's really good, tender. You see that smoke? I took the skin off. I really don't like eating skin unless it's fried. Then I got these vegetables here. So you have little acorn squash. I think these are beets. I'm not sure. Carrots and spring beans. But it's a very good mix. I've had it before. And then I have a small pear and then some olives. So, shoot. So here's my macros right here. So I have 74 grams of my goal I put was 51 total, but with net is under 50 is 47 net carbs, 16 fiber, 88 fat 62, protein, and overall 1249 calories. The 1700 is what I try to get to during the week. So I do like one snack in the middle. I break my fast with something and then I go in and eat dinner. My lunch was 39 grams of carbs total, and 364 calories. I had my coffee, and then I had my my chia seed pudding mix with everything that I put in it. And then this is my dinner. The chicken, it's not 7 ounces, it's more than 7 ounces. I just didn't weigh it. But these are all my vegetables, olives. I couldn't find the pear, so I just put an apple. And then I'm going to have some pistachios after I eat, and then I'll be done for the night, and I then have a cup of water. So basically, starting tomorrow, as y'all know, I was doing alternate day fasting. I think I actually got through the 40 hours maybe 3 times. And then I just came to the conclusion that at that point, I was not able to get through 40 hours without eating something. So what I did was I did modified alternate day fasting, where you take in 500 calories or less, even though I was always going over 5, be more like 700, 800. But I did notice that my weight still went down, with it, more so than it did with me fasting for 40 hours without eating anything. So I think that's what worked for me. So this month, what I'm doing is I was listening to Megan Ramos. I believe that's her name. She is she works with Dr. Fung. And she said, what she tell her, they work with diabetic patients. That's what Dr. Fung is. He's a nephrologist. He's a kidney specialist. So all his patients have diabetes, and what they tell them, because diabetics, it's hard for them to fast for that long. They tell them to do a 30-16, where they fast for 30 hours, and they fast for 30 hours one day and then 16 hours another day. And so they mix it up. And that's what they gave for people who did well on OMAD, but didn't want to fast. OMAD is 23-1. You fast for 23 hours, and then that 1 hour, your 24th hour, you eat. So a lot of them like to do OMAD. It worked for them, but every day was kind of like a problem. So, to keep the body guessing, what they would do is, let's say on Monday, they would have their meal and then they would fast for 30 hours. Then Tuesday, they would have lunch. Monday they would do dinner. Tuesday they would have lunch. So in between them, from Monday, night to Tuesday, it may be 16 hours. And then from Tuesday to Wednesday, they fast for 30 hours, but you are eating every day. You just eating different times of the day. So one day you'll do lunch, the next day you'll do dinner, the next day you do lunch, and you keep going back and forth. So what I'm going to do is, I was thinking about doing lunch tomorrow, but I'm not really hungry at lunchtime. I'm really not. And on top of that, I'm about to start my workout. And so what I did was, my lunch would be like 5 o'clock p.m. And then I wouldn't eat until 11 p.m. on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, I would eat again at 5 p.m. And then Thursday, 11 p.m. So it's going back and forth. So it's 18 hours from one day to one day. And then the next day is 30 hours. But I'm still eating for the day. And I'm still getting in my fasting, over 24 hours fasting. So I'm going to see how that schedule works for me. I'm thinking that it will work, because of the simple fact that I am eating. It's just I'm eating different times every day and not the same time every day. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and mine's is 18. It's 30-18 opposed to 30-16 because I cannot eat before 5, and I'm pushing it at that point because I go to work out like 3 o'clock. I have to come home, you know, so that means it's going to take some planning on my part, but I think the 18-hour fast is only, during the week, it's only like two days. I think Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is the 30 hours where I eat dinner, and Tuesday and Thursday is the days that I eat lunch. So I can go ahead and prepare, like tomorrow I'll prepare my food and stuff before I leave to go work out. So when I come home and shower, I could just, you know, eat my meal. So it will take some planning on my half to be able to get that done. So we'll see how it goes, if I need to switch anything up. But that is my plan for the month of November. And so we're going to go from there. So we'll check back in, you know, how it's going, probably next Monday in a week. But, you know, I come in with my meals every day. And I'll give you an update as of where I'm at after doing the alternate day fasting for the month of October. So y'all take care. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And peace.